iPhone 4S is a quite old phone, but it still has its users and its own charm. But due to long use, many users complain that their power button is not working, so they cannot turn it off or on. This phone does not have the shutdown option in the settings like the newer iPhones. But don't worry, here in this video we will show you how you can turn off and turn on your iPhone 4 or 4S without using the power button. If your power button is not working or you don't want to use it all the time, to turn off your iPhone 4S, you can use this way. Open Settings, go to General, tap Accessibility, tap Assistive Touch, toggle on Assistive Touch. A virtual home button will be added. Now tap open the virtual home button, tap Device, tap and hold on the lock screen. You will get the power slider, slide to turn it off, and your iPhone 4S will be shut down. Now, if you are wondering how you can turn on your iPhone 4S without the power button, there is a way. Simply plug in to charge and it will turn on. And you don't have to use the power button. So guys, this is the way you can turn off and on your iPhone 4 or 4S without using the power button. Thanks for watching the video. We hope it was helpful. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment box and always stay with our channel. Thank you.